Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to select your preferred gas station brand in the Waze app on your phone. This setting helps you filter search results based on your favorite fuel provider, making it easier and faster to find the right station while driving. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu, tap on the Settings option. After that, tap on Gas Stations. This section allows you to personalize how Waze displays fuel options near your location. Now, tap on Preferred Brand. Here, you will see a list of available gas station brands based on your region. Simply tap to select your favorite brand or choose all stations if you want to see every option available. Finally, exit the menu and Waze will now prioritize your selected brand when suggesting nearby gas stations during navigation. That's how you select your preferred gas station brand in the Waze app. It's a simple way to personalize your route and save time. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.